Hello students, welcome back to Study Materials. I am your English teacher Sandesh Anjali. Today we are going to deal with class 7 poem Self-Reliance, all question and answers. Self-reliance. Many factors help a person to attain success. Complete the chart of bubbles with the factors which help you make your life meaningful. Here is your answer. To win in life: self-confidence, honest work, sacrifice, generosity, self-satisfaction, contentment, discernment. Okay, these are factors to win in life. Next one, seeth one, new words. Rely, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೇತ್, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಭರವಸೆ ಇಡೋದು. ಡಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ರೂಲರ್, ಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಆಧಿಪತ್ಯ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್, ಡಿಸೈಡ್, ನಿರ್ಧಾರ. ಪಾತ್, ರೂಟ್, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್, ದಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಾದಿ. ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ನೌನ್, ಅನ್ಕೈಂಡ್, ಕ್ರೂವಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ತೆಗಳು, ನಿಂದಿಸು, ಬೈಯೋದು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ, ಫೇಟ್, ವಿಧಿ, ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. D. Comprehension. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. First one, who is the speaker in the poem? Answer is the poet Kathleen Delicate herself is the speaker in the poem. Next one, who is alone in the poem? The poet is alone in the poem. Third one, what does the speaker decide to do if she fails? Answer is, if the speaker fails, she will continue to try again and again. She will ask others for their opinions also. Next one, who is the ruler of the speaker's kingdom? Answer, speaker herself is the ruler of the speaker's kingdom. Next one, fifth one, how can the speaker convert her choice into a victory? Answer is, the speaker converts her choice into victory by being true to herself, which taught her to stand alone with self-confidence, which helps her to take the royal road to success. Next one, second one, answer the following questions in a paragraph each. First one, which line of the poem do you like? Why? By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. This is the line I like because all of us should have a vision in life. In order to realize our vision, we should be true to ourselves and work hard towards it. The self-determination, the confidence in ourselves and the hard work will help us to realize our dream into a reality. Self-respect and self-dependence will help us to learn how to stand alone whenever the time demands. Generosity and self-sacrifice and a willing mind to help others if they need us. All of these will lead to contentment. When we are contented and we feel our objective and vision in our life are achieved, we feel that we are successful and have won in life. This is the answer in a paragraph for the first question. Let us take second one. Ask your partner what self-respect, self-confidence, self-reliance is. Answer is, self-respect. Respect for oneself or self-respecting is the meaning of self-respect. Self-respect can be gained only when we should never do in secret what we should be ashamed of doing in the presence of our most valued friends. Second one, self confidence. There are many people who have a real talent in different lines and yet never accomplish anything because they are afraid to make the first venture, and in this way good and useful things are lost to the world. A reasonable amount of confidence in one's own powers is necessary for success. Next one, self reliance. Self reliance means relying upon ourselves or independently taking up the decisions. Decisions taken by others about our life may go wrong. Still, the decisions given by others are to be scrutinized by ourselves again. So it will be better to rely on ourselves. Next one, fourth one, how can you show to others that you have these qualities? Give some examples, write down what you said. Success is the only thing from which we can show to others that we have all these qualities. For example, whenever I got a chance to participate in any of the extracurricular activities, without any hesitation, I participated, which showed my self confidence. Next one, this is fourth one, actually, previous is the third one. According to the poet, what should we do to win in life? Answer is, according to the poet, we should do the following to win in our life. They are: rely on yourself, stand on your own, continue trying if you fail, take pride in the path you'll choose, true to yourself, learn to stand alone, and determination to win facing all odds in life. Next one, discuss these newspaper headlines with your teacher. Add to each statement one or two sentences of your own. A paper distributor Prerana gets the first rank in PU exam. Prerana studying in second PUC, she earned for her family and herself to continue her studies and has secured first rank in PU exam. She is the role model for all students. You can write in different way also. Beat one. All women crew to fly Air India flights. An all-woman crew took Kiran Bedi to Air India flight. Next one. See, Indian sailor all set to circumnavigate the globe. Indian sailors have explored a new sea route to circumnavigate the globe. Do you know what is circumnavigate? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಸುತ್ತೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಸುತ್ತೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಮ್ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸರ್ಕಮ್ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅರುಮಿನಾ ಸಿನ್ಹಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ amputee to scale Everest. Arumina, through her self-reliance and determination, successfully scaled Mount Everest. That's it, students. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos of your classes. Thank you very much.